Looking to build an affiliate program that actually delivers ROI? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an affiliate strategy that attracts partners who drive real results. Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a founding sales at Team-GPT. Let's say I'm working with Peloton to develop their affiliate marketing program for driving equipment sales and app subscriptions. I'll show you how Team-GPT helps create a strategic campaign that attracts the right affiliates and maximizes conversions. I'm already in my Peloton affiliate program project with Project Knowledge set up. Let me walk you through what I've included in Project Knowledge. In Project Information, I've defined our objectives for developing an effective affiliate program that drives sales. For documents, I've uploaded the Peloton affiliate program brief with detailed information about the products, target affiliates, commission structure, promotion materials, and success metrics. First, I'll use the prompt builder to help me develop the affiliate recruitment strategy. The prompt builder is a tool that helps create more effective prompts by asking questions about my specific needs. I'll describe my task. I need to create an affiliate recruitment strategy for Peloton's new affiliate program. I click on Continue, the artificial intelligence is loading, and the prompt builder will ask me follow-up questions. Who is the target audience for the affiliate recruitment strategy? I'm going to say wellness bloggers, as they seem to be relevant for Peloton's business. What key benefits or unique setup points will Peloton offer to potential affiliates compared to other fitness affiliate programs? Peloton is actually expecting to fund advertising to promote each partner influencer. What specific goals do you have for this affiliate program? What matters right now for Peloton are revenue targets. I press on Continue. After answering these questions, I get a custom prompt that I'll copy and paste into a new chat that I'll start in the Peloton affiliate project program. This is the prompt. You can see here where we are describing the persona, the context, the task. For each task, we give different steps to explain exactly what we want included. I will copy the prompt and paste into a new chat that I'll start in the Peloton affiliate program project. Let me go in project. I will go here to my Peloton affiliate program, and here I can paste the prompt we worked on together. I press on enter and the artificial intelligence starts writing. The artificial intelligence is generating a detailed recruitment strategy that outlines how to identify, approach, and onboard the most valuable affiliates for Peloton's program. As you can see, we're going through all 7 steps that I've asked for in the prompt with information such as budget, such as milestones, everything we need to work. Now, I'm going to use one finger to press / and access my prompt library, where I've saved several useful prompts. I'm going to select commission structure. I'll fill in the variables. What is the program name? The program is the Peloton Partner Program. What is the primary goal? Drive new Peloton equipment sales. Secondary goal, increase Peloton app subscriptions. I'm going to press on Continue. Fills in the blank. And now I press on enter and the artificial intelligence gets back to work. The AI is currently working on a detailed analysis of the commission structure with specific recommendations for improvement. Let's see what the artificial intelligence has produced for us. Peloton Partner Program Commission Structure Analysis and Optimization. Here it describes based on the context knowledge, what is the proposed commission structure for the Peloton Partner Program? They're going to talk base raise, performance incentives, equipment-focused tiered commission structure. Very smart, based on the product we sell. How much should we make? I can go down, they're making recommendations for how to accelerate subscription conversions. Deep content that is based both on the artificial intelligence and what the artificial intelligence knows, the project knowledge we gave it, and the prompt. Next, I'll follow up in the chat. I'm going to ask chat-gpt to create a set of promotional content templates that affiliates can easily customize for their audience. Include social media posts, blog review outlines, and banner ad copy that emphasizes key selling points while maintaining compliance with advertising regulations. Press on enter. The artificial intelligence uses the context, the prompt, but also the history in the chat in order to write the best templates. It's loading here. We can take a look at one template, for example. These are for Instagram. You can see a template for a product review. We have results progress updates, for example, an image before after and the progress photo with Peloton. X weeks into my one Peloton product, and here's what I've changed. Physical change, mental, emotional. The influencer can fill in the blanks and decide what they want to write about. What surprised me the most is influencer can personalize and add an unexpected benefit. The instructors make every workout feel personal, and the community keeps me accountable. We have these templates for Instagram, for Facebook, for Pinterest, for TikTok, ready to send to our influencers and partners. And now I'd like to develop a framework for measuring campaign success. Paste it here. Please design a performance tracking and optimization framework. Include KPIs to monitor, reporting frequency, performance benchmarks, and a process for identifying and addressing underperforming affiliates or promotional strategies. The artificial intelligence takes the full context and gets to work. Here it's recommending click-through rate, something we should read daily with a few benchmarks. Cart abandonment rate is a very interesting KPI that we need to look at daily, and we should be under 65%. These are a few metrics that will allow us to benchmark how our affiliates are performing. We also need to look at the advertising fund performance and reporting, how Claude 3.7 recommends that we build the reporting to keep an eye on the KPIs that count. And there we have it, a comprehensive affiliate marketing campaign for Peloton that includes strategies for recruiting valuable partners, motivating them with the right commission structure, equipping them with effective promotional materials, tracking performance to ensure ongoing success. Thanks for watching.